Ever get a raise or a new job and think, this is it, I'll finally get ahead? But months later, your bank account looks the same. That's lifestyle inflation. As your income rises, so does your spending. You upgrade your car, your home, your habits, yet you're still living paycheck to paycheck. The problem isn't your paycheck, it's your habits and mindset. I've seen people with modest incomes build wealth and high earners drown in debt. More money won't fix bad money habits. If you don't control your spending, you're just running faster on the hamster wheel, financing a fancier cage, not building freedom. Decide to break the cycle. Don't settle for normal, because normal is broke. Our culture pushes us to spend. Ads, social media, even friends. We compare ourselves, chasing an image of success we can't afford. This leads to debt and stress, trying to impress people who don't matter. True wealth isn't about showing off. It's about peace of mind and control. Many of us carry limiting beliefs about money from childhood, thinking we'll always be broke. That mindset becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. To change your finances, you have to change your beliefs. We spend years in school but rarely learn how to manage money. We know history and science, but not how to budget or invest. Without financial education, we fall into debt traps and chase instant gratification. We use credit for quick wins, but it leads to long-term losses. Living paycheck to paycheck creates anxiety and stress. Financial chaos affects your health, relationships, and happiness. You weren't meant to live in constant worry. There's a better way. The first step is awareness. Face your finances honestly. Create a written monthly budget. It's not a straitjacket, it's a plan for your money. Give every dollar a job before the month begins. Reject the comparison game. Your goal is real wealth, not looking rich. Start small. Save a $1,000 emergency fund, then attack your debts one by one. These small wins build momentum and confidence. Cut unnecessary spending. Those little leaks add up. Spend intentionally on what truly matters to you and your family. Being broke is a condition. Staying broke is a choice. It's not about how much you make, but what you do with it. Choose to be different. Budget, live below your means, and invest for your future. Change happens one decision at a time. Your past doesn't define you. Your future is a blank slate. Decide today to build a legacy of security and freedom. The power to change is in your hands. Believe in yourself. Your new story starts now.